Hi, this is your librarian, Mrs. Harkleroad, and I'm going to show you quickly how you can check out eBooks using Safari Montage. Now, you are already logged into your Launchpad, and you're going to look for the icon Safari Montage and click right there. And you're probably saying, why am I going to Safari Montage? Isn't that just for videos? Well, it has a lot more than just videos in it, and it happens to have a collection of ebooks that are all access, meaning anybody can be reading them at the same time. So how do we do this? Well, number one, you want to go to your search bar. That's the first thing, the magnifying glass. And now you get all this small print. Ugh. Probably meant more for teachers than student friendly, correct? But here's what you do. See that blue toolbar line? Don't go there. Go underneath the blue toolbar line for the second toolbar line and go right here to where it says Publisher. Now you want to look for Overdrive All Access. So hit the little down caret, and now you're going to run into a whole bunch of different publishers, and you could click into them and see what they have. There's nothing wrong with doing that. Keep going, but we're looking for Overdrive. Now, there's two Overdrives. There's the regular Overdrive, which is Lee County's eBook library, except at the elementary level, you are going to be opening into Sora. Say this with me. Sora is Overdrive. Overdrive is Sora. Right underneath, you'll see Overdrive All Access. That's the one we want to click into. So click into there, and right over here, it brings you up. You're going to be searching in Overdrive All Access, which is also like Sora, and you will be only searching for ebooks that anyone can have at the same time. In order to bring up a list of those books, come back this way to where it says keyword. Now, if you were searching for dogs or chocolate cake or, I don't know, survival tips, whatever it could be, you could type that in right in the keyword search. However, you don't have to. You can just hit the magnifying glass. The magnifying glass is your friend. So go ahead and click that. And now we have a list. It says 244. You can arrange this list in different ways, but it's kind of just, you can't even search AR. So if you just see a book that looks pretty good to you, go ahead and go to that. I'm looking at Amelia Earhart right here. So the next thing you have to do is, well, you want to see if you really want it. So you hit the play key. It's not going to play it. It's just going to bring you to another screen that says hit the play screen. And you think you're going to play it. Let's see if it does. And now it's going to bring you right over here to your book, which you can then borrow. By the way, we are in the Sora look of Overdrive. So you can hit borrow, or you could just hit, you can actually borrow it so it knows where you are, and you can keep it right like that. Or you can just hit open book at the same time. So, voila, that's how you can use Safari Montage to get some more books in. And remember, you need to be nice. I'm going to go ahead and return. Look, I have 2 books checked out right there. So I'm going to go ahead and return these books. This is another lesson we'll go over once we learn more about Sora when we come back to school. So, thank you. And I hope you can use that as another way to find an ebook real fast.